It took me basically, okay, stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, here is my boss braid honey blonde color. So here I am. This hair I already separate them, and I'm trying to separate them now, but I already put the hair to make the ends nice and narrow. And yeah, I just use petroleum jelly. If you're wondering, yes, that's what I use for my extensions. It just makes them easy for me, makes them softer. I don't know if any of you also use this. Okay, so here is the first braid. I start with a little cone roll at the bottom, at the root, so it don't come out. So yeah, here we are. My first one, not so clear on the scalp, but well, as I went on, I undone it and redo it. So you will see a couple braids that would not be matching the sizing. So I just went in and redo them. So this is how long the hair is at the butt length. So yeah, I'm using also the wax also to seal the end. That's why you will see the end is nice and soft and really narrow, you know. So yeah, I use my own hair as the third strand, because at the beginning, because my hair is, as you can see, it's a little bit long, so I don't want to use so much hair. It will be heavy on my head because I want this hair to be nice and long, passing my butt area. This came down in the middle of my butt, and I'm 5'3", so imagine. So guys, if you want to save money, like I say at the end, you can try to braid your own hair. And not only that, you want to avoid the tension from the braiders, like the ladies, the braiding salons. They really tie your scalp up, and I have a really sensitive skin, scalp. So this is the best way for me to do my protective styles. I prefer doing my own. So here I am on my second row. I just separate the hair um, as a horizontal or diagonal. I don't know, but you'll figure it. So I did already pre-separate the hair, and all I do is just, yeah, get them and braid them. So yeah, see, I use my own hair as another strand, and then when I braid it down a little bit, I just separate the extensions on my hair, onto my hair. I add a little bit, and then I braid all the way down. As I go, I've been um, I've been adding some hair to the middle of my hair and the middle of my hair, so that it can be the same length as the other one. So um yeah, you will see it. See, I slowed down here so you guys can see how I braid the hair from the back. I see some videos, but they don't really show you how they do it. They just, show you the rest of the hair on in the front, And then see how I'm doing now. It's a little bit difficult on your neck, but if you know how to really turn your neck, you see, as you can see, my neck is really, there's a tension now, but it don't hurt me. The first time I did my own hair, my neck hurt me so bad, but now I figured it out. And also, when your hair is a little bit long, it's more easier to braid. So yeah, um, what else? Yeah, I always like this color. Right now it looks like a mess, but you guys will see toward the end that it all worked out. Yeah, it looks mostly like a mess, but I like it. It don't really look tight. It don't feel tight at all. And even the front, it looks like old braids. I like the look of old braids, so that's how I did it. And I love these braids at the end. So yeah, guys, so to stay tuned, enjoy this video with me, and comment and like, please, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. And thanks for watching. I love you guys. Stay beautiful and stay lovable. Yeah, so over here I'm showing you how to add the extensions to the braids so it don't show any gap. So I put it, I don't know how to explain, but I'm pretty sure you guys get it. If not, you can just rewind this, or you know, yeah, and then you can see how I did it. You see, it's really nice and neat. It don't show any hair adding to it. So if you all want me to demonstrate or you show you more of this, please comment below and let me know. So yeah, and here we are. I'm getting toward the middle of my hair. So this time I'm gonna be adding the hair like 2 times, because I already add hair but just one time. So from here I'm gonna be adding the hair like 2 times. And remember guys, I already pulled this hair. I use the expression, the long one, and I cut it in three and just pull the hair so it can get longer and has a nice ends. So it was already long, but added it some more to make it longer. So yeah, getting to the end now. I mean, almost done here. This is like 4 hours in, or 5 hours in. Yeah, this is probably the second day because I started in one afternoon or yeah, afternoon, and then I stopped. I went out and then came back next day. Here you are. Here we are. As you can see, it looks like old braids, and I like it. Like I said, I liked it, and I don't like the hair being so tight on my head and on my neck, and I can't sleep at night. This hair, yeah, these braids even is way longer than what I used to do in the salons, but then it don't hurt my neck because I didn't put so much, uh, I didn't put so much attention on my head. So here we are, finished product. See how long? You see the end? I put this hair in hot water at the end, and then I took a towel and I just pull and pull and pull, and then dry it with the towel. Here we are. Here they are. That's it. That's it. All the way to the bottom of my back. So yeah, guys, enjoy it. Eight hours. 8 hours total. Cause yeah, about 8 to 9 hours. Cause I got up and went did some stuff and came back. But yeah, this is it. My first full boss braid. When I say full, this is from the beginning. I've done it before, but it was crochet and I just braid the front and cover it. But this one is full house. Okay, enjoy this video. If you want to save some money on your braiding, please watch this video and subscribe, because I have a lot to come. Next I'm gonna do either jumbo bob, or I will do jumbo twist, or just a regular twist like this, but it will be twisted. Okay, stay tuned, guys.